I am the CTO of EasyBot. We are a company that started in 2016. We started developing chatbots for large companies. We are now a company which uses artificial intelligence to provide solutions to our customers in different areas. Um, and we are using Communicate. I think that we've been using it for about 2 years now. Um, and we are using it because we provide a service to for a government agency, and we use it as a chat platform where we can plug in our chatbots, so we don't have to build the whole chat system from the ground. Yeah, it's expensive. I don't think it's not as flexible as Communicate. I think there is a right balance between quality and price. I think that's what we were looking for. And also, Communicate is very flexible in terms of integrating with other systems. So there is an API we use to integrate with our systems, with the customer systems, and with WhatsApp. So yeah, this balance and also the flexibility. Yeah, I read about it in a blog. I don't remember which one, but you can search for blogs that make reviews of different software. So we checked using different platforms. Uh, we included in our review Intercom and others. And then we finally decided for Communicate, which I think it's a great choice. And in these 2 years, you've been working in getting new features out for the customer. So I think it's a good thing. The support guys are really helpful. They are worried when I ask questions, and they are worried about trying to answer as soon as possible. Um, so they talk to your development team when it's needed, and yeah, they're very helpful. For instance, with the uh, JSON structures for sending WhatsApp messages, it's a bit complicated, and I got a lot of help from you to get it right. But I have to say that because of time difference, it's not always available um, to us and a human agent. But now you have um, a good chatbot to support, and I think it's getting some right answers. So it's a good quality bot.